Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes fix, DNS, probe, finished, bad, config, error. Open any browser, type any website address. It displays, this site cannot be reached, DNS probe finished bad config. One of the best solution is click start button, type control panel in search bar. Click network and sharing center. Click change adapter settings. Right-click local area connection, click properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, click properties. Click use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8888 8844. Click OK. Now try to type website address. Yes, it is working. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.